Hey everybody, Crapshoot here. We're going to do a t-shirt called Rags to Riches. So you don't want to miss this episode. It's going to be a good one. So this is the story behind Rags to Riches shirt. Before I have a table I always die on, I used to use a rag all the time, wipe it off. One day I reached for a bandana by accident, started wiping it off. Looked pretty cool. I washed it out, threw it with the other bandanas. Somebody bought it. Couldn't believe it. Wow. So I kept dying on the table. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I would die on my table, and any excess that was on the tray here, I would just wipe it off with a shirt. This shirt's been soaked in soda ash like a normal tie-dye shirt, same quality as the rest, except I use it as a rag. Clean off the rack here, voila. You got a Rags to Riches shirt. People love it. I sell 1 to 2 a week, easy. And all I do is take one shirt out of the pile. As I do my dyeing, I clean my rack. And then once I'm done with the whole load, I throw it in, wash it out, and we sell it.